Alright guys, we're gonna get a little drive in here with the Kyosho Blizzard. I've got full metal tracks on it now, and it's got Traxxas dual 380 motors. So this should go pretty good, hopefully. And I did also take the plow off it so it's not getting stuck as much. That plow really makes it get stuck a lot, guys, if you notice when you go over stuff. Let's turn the siren on correctly. There we go. So if you guys noticed when I was kind of going through over here, these big bumps before, I was getting stuck on them. Now the snow is also melted a little bit, so granted that probably does help, so it's a little bit stiffer. It's not like powder now, but so look at that. It went right through that, right through here. Before it would have been stuck, most definitely. Now let's do it again. Look at that, right through it. So let's try one of my footprints. Yeah, so right through. Yeah, right through again. So it just goes right through these footprints now, which is nice. My body's kind of sticking off because I don't have two clips in it. I forgot to throw another clip in it. Looks like it went back down now. Yeah, but so far, guys, I've really been enjoying this thing besides those crappy plastic tracks they give you with it out of the box. They're literal junk. And now it looks like Kyosho actually just discontinued the metal tracks. So hopefully they have something else coming out for that. So if you don't have metal tracks, might be something you might want to look into. Uh-oh, guys, that isn't good. I think I broke something. Let's see what I broke. At least the yard's more thawed now. And I lost a clip. Okay, no. It's here. Let's see. That was weird. It was like the one side wasn't working, and now it's working. That was really weird. Okay, now it's working fine. Look at that, I almost made it up that now. Let's see if I can do it. Right up this side. Nope. Look at that, guys, I made it up there finally. Kinda cool. Let's see if we can make it right up this middle where it's steepest. There we go. Boom. All right. So guys, I do got dual Traxxas 380 motors in this for the like 1/16 lineup. So it's a little bit quicker than stock, but it don't make it much quicker. I'm really curious when we're done here. Uh-oh. Got stuck in that. But I'm curious when we're done here to see how hot they're gonna be. Because I feel they're not really made to push a vehicle like this, but this is what someone online suggested. Instead of going brushless, so that's what I did. I mean, it makes it quicker, but it's not making it where I want it to be. And I don't want it to be like super uncontrollable, like a big 3S truck or, you know, anything like that. I just want it to make it more fun to drive. Because, I mean, it's fun to drive right now, but it's kind of boring at the same time, honestly. That's just my opinion though. So we're gonna go inside, let's check this thing out, let's see how hot those motors are, and